Are you ready to discover the ultimate path to financial freedom? Look no further. In this captivating YouTube video, we unveil the top 10 genuine and free-to-use apps that will help you make money effortlessly right from your smartphone. No more hidden fees or scams. Just sit back, relax, and embark on this extraordinary journey to financial success together. Get ready to unlock the door to endless possibilities and start earning extra cash every day with these quick and easy side hustles. Let's start with the first app on our list of 10, receiptjar.com. Receipt Jar. We frequently receive receipts after shopping, which we promptly throw in the garbage without giving it a second thought. But did you realize that you might be passing up an opportunity to make some additional money? With the help of the app Receipt Jar, you can easily get paid for your receipts by simply taking a photo of them with your smartphone whenever you shop for groceries, clothes, food, or anything else. In exchange, you will receive points that can be exchanged for cash. The amount of money you earn from this app will depend on how many receipts you upload. But if you're someone who does a lot of shopping, you'll find this to be an exciting way to get paid for it. In addition to earning points for uploading receipts, you can also make money by referring to the app to your friends, completing surveys within the app, or playing the Shake game. The next app on our list is called On My Way, which is a special app that pays you onmyway.com for not texting while driving. This app works by automatically connecting when you start driving over 10 miles per hour. And for every mile that you drive without using your phone or texting, you get paid. The app also lets you make phone calls, listen to music on Apple Music or Spotify, use other services like Apple CarPlay, and use other features. Although this may not seem like a lot of money, it can add up quickly, especially when you consider that the average American drives at least 15,000 miles per year. This means you could potentially earn at least $800 by using this app alone if you want to increase your earnings. When you sign up for the app, they'll pay you $100 instantly just for signing up. And then for every mile that you drive without texting, the app will pay you 5 cents. As we move on to the third app on the list, we have Surveys on the Go. A surveyonthego.com survey application is easily downloaded on both Android and Apple devices. While surveys won't make you a millionaire overnight, they are still a great way to earn some extra money on the side. And this app has established itself as one of the most well-liked survey apps available. After installing the app, you can instantly make $1 after finishing your profile. From there, you can start taking surveys whenever you have time or sign up for notifications to be notified when new, highly paid surveys become available. A mid-range survey often pays between $1 and $5, though some can go as high as $10. This app, according to many users, pays more than other survey apps, making it a great choice for anybody wishing to start earning some additional money. Install the app on your phone after downloading it from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Then start earning easy money by answering surveys. Let's look at our fourth application. With the Be My Eye app, you can get paid for carrying out quick chores in neighboring shops. Simply download the app to your phone to get started. After creating an account, look through the missions that are offered nearby, depending on how much money they provide and how long they take to complete. You can decide which missions you wish to do. Some activities call for particular abilities, such as snapping pictures of articles and responding to a few questions. While some can easily be done at home, others necessitate photographing businesses or billboards. Typically, you may anticipate receiving store checks worth between $5 and $15 for the majority of missions. Paying more, the best way to make money quickly with this app is to accept missions from places you already frequent. By doing this, you can make sure that you only accept missions when it's time to go grocery shopping or run other errands. In addition, while you're out and about, you can complete tasks and make some extra money. This is our fifth app. What if we could earn money while enjoying our favorite video games? Well, thanks to the Game Hag app, It's possible. The idea behind the app is simple. You play online games on your phone or computer to collect soul gems, which you can then exchange for rewards like cash payouts. Every 500 diamonds you acquire will be worth between $1 and $3, depending on where you live. For instance, if you live in the US, you can make $3 for every 500 gems by playing games on GameHag. This creates a perfect win-win scenario where both parties benefit. Using a game hack gives you the chance to earn money while doing what you already enjoy. Instead of playing games mindlessly in your leisure time, gaming hack enables you to make money while having pleasure, which is a great way to supplement your income or make some additional cash. The sixth app we provide is named Zogo.com and is ideal for users who like Zogo. Contrary to GameHag, many people think that Zogo is a financial education app that pays you for raising your level of financial literacy. Education and finances ought to be provided in schools. A rewarding approach to learning about personal finance is available through Zogo. You can get pineapples inside the app by interacting with the content and finishing various tasks. These pineapples can be exchanged for gift cards, check deposits, and other things, enabling you to use a Zogo to save money on regular purchases. Imagine never again having to pay full price for the items you purchase daily. Whether you are a student trying to increase your financial literacy or an adult trying to save more money, understanding personal finance can help you get benefits and save money over time. The software Zogo can be useful for everyone. FreeStuffFinder.com with your seventh app, which is called Free Stuff Finder. $50 or more on regular purchases. This implies that you can reduce the cost of items like toothpaste, deodorant, shoes, groceries, and even toilet paper. You can browse the app's over 100 daily new deals to uncover discounts and items you would regularly buy. In addition to saving money, it's a simple approach to reducing your daily expenses. By just pressing a few buttons on your phone or computer, the program gives you the chance to make money. By leveraging free stuff finders for your online shopping, the app has connected with several businesses that provide cashback benefits for purchases made through their platform. Saving money and obtaining cashback benefits are both possible. It's a great way to get the most out of your purchases and generate some additional money. Introducing our eighth app, unbabel.com, which offers a simple method to make extra money for Unbabel by revising software translations. The app gets content from well-known businesses and translates them into several languages using its translation software. Unbabel, a company that will pay people to cross-check and revise translations because a software's translations are not always accurate, is a useful tool. You must first complete an evaluation process with Unbabel before you can start editing translations and making money. You can choose the number of hours you wish to work and work from any location, thanks to the app's flexible working environment. You can also work on a variety of content, such as posting for social media, customer service communications, and websites. Our 8th app, Rody, offers a straightforward way to make money between $8 and $18 per hour through Rody.com. While you are already traveling, this app rewards you to deliver packages. Rody will pay you to deliver goods like cupcakes, donuts, and parcels while you are traveling to work, shopping, or picking up your child from school. It's comparable to Uber, but you deliver goods as opposed to carrying people. Before accepting any delivery, the app will display the guaranteed payouts, pickup, and delivery information so you can select deliveries that work with your schedule. By doing so, you can sync your deliveries with your regular driving route and earn money while traveling. While small excursions often pay approximately $13, longer trips can pay up to $650, which is rather astounding. Shopkick.com, our last app, provides a variety of opportunities to make money. One of them, Shopkick, allows you to earn incentives merely by entering a store that qualifies, where the app can track your location. Another method is to scan the barcodes of any items in the store, whether or not you intend to purchase them. You may also make money by using the app to scan receipts. Similar to the receipt jar, you can link your debit or credit card to the app and make purchases at specific retailers. You can also invite friends to use the app to earn more rewards with a shop kick by inviting them to use it as well. There are several ways to earn cashback and prizes just by going about your normal shopping routine. By using the app to make online purchases, you can also receive incentives. You can possibly make a sizable sum of money by taking advantage of these promotions and adding ShopKick into your regular shopping habit. That's it. We'll see you in our next video. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any new content. Thank you for watching.